right to equality. Article 14 provides two different aspects of equality: equality before law and equal protection of law. Equality before law means that everyone shall be treated equally in the eyes of law. Whether an offence has been committed by Ambani or Arvind Kejriwal, whether a rich guy commits an offence or a typical Aam Aadmi, consequences would be same. Equal opportunity is the second aspect of it. If government comes up with a new opportunity, each and everyone will be entitled to avail it. For example, if government has constructed a new road, all of us are entitled to use it. If government digs up a well, all of us would be entitled to use it. Government's opportunities are not reserved for a particular person. Then what about reservations? Are reservations also discriminatory? Answer would be no. In India, we do not believe in the concept of universal equality. We believe in the concept of equality among equals. Many of you would have already appeared for your board examination. Do you know all of you are getting equal time? But if there is a handicapped candidate, then that person would be given a scribe as well as some extra time. If you are writing your own paper, then why is that person not being forced to write his own paper? Why is he being provided a scribe? Can you shout discrimination? No, you can't. Because you clearly understand that you and he are not at par. You two people are not at the same platform, and hence same set of rules and regulation cannot be applied on both of you. If there are two different categories or two different segments of population, government is entitled to apply different set of rules and regulations. And hence, friends, Article 15 provides that government can enact special laws for backward segments of society. 16.4 provides reservation in government employment for people belonging to backward communities. 16.4a extends that reservation to people belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes.
Did you like this video? Then you should definitely check EndeavorCLAT online course. 100 plus hours of live lectures, 120 plus topic based videos, 500 plus sectional and full length mock tests covering CLAT, ILAT, SLAT, LSAT, MHCET and more.